Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make wakame to kimchi no salad. This salad is so healthy. Wakame seaweed contains almost 0 calories, but it's very high in fiber. And kimchi is fermented food, so both very good for your health. It cleanses your body. And it's so easy to make. Another good point. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this wakame to kimchi no salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 10 grams of dried wakame seaweed, 150 grams of kimchi, 1 cucumber, 1 onion, and 3 tablespoons each of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and ponzu sauce. Let's rehydrate the wakame seaweed first. So prepare bowl and strainer. Put wakame seaweed. Put plenty of water, just cold plain water. Wakame seaweed is small bits when it's dried, but when it's rehydrated, it expands. So make sure to use plenty of water to rehydrate. Let's just put it aside and leave it for 10 minutes. Now, let's cut the vegetables. So onion first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. And I want to make very thin slices. So I'm using vegetable slicer, but you can of course use knife. Prepare bowl and strainer, and let's slice the onion. It's very thin, like a paper. Add some water and rub it in the water to remove the pungency. Then drain. Next is cucumber. I'm making very thin strips. So cut both ends off. Make thin diagonal slices. Align them. And into strips. If it's too thick, the texture of cucumber stands out too much, so try to make it as thin as this. Now, I'm going to put them all in one bowl. Mayonnaise, ponzu sauce, give it a mix. Until it's nice and creamy. Cucumber, kimchi, and onion and wakame seaweed as you squeeze it really well. So take some and squeeze it really, really well. Then into the bowl. And wakame seaweed. Drain it. Take some. Squeeze it. Into the bowl. Toss everything in the bowl. Serve in the serving bowl. Put some sesame seeds if you like. And wakame to kimchi no salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's spicy and refreshing, but at the same time, rich and creamy thanks to the mayonnaise. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. The salad is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about ankake yakisoba here, which will also cover the main, and egg drop soup here to add a little more protein. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!